Connection between sensors and devices. The fans switch.
Yeah. Connectivity is nothing but it is refers to a technologies, ma. That is means the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, RFID, and also NFC. NFC is nothing but near field communication. Okay, it will operated with the like end user to connect communication between the two devices. That is nothing but you are connected to the Arduino to RFID. That means it will connect to the radio frequency without any wireless connection. That means it without any wire. We are connecting without any wire. That is nothing but the connectivity. Okay.
Yes.
Wireless connection. You got it, my point, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're saying that wireless connection is nothing but connectivity.
Yeah, not wireless connection because I'm saying Wi-Fi means it is the best example of the connectivity.
Okay.
This IoT device we are connecting Arduino we are connecting with the some motors and machines each other. Yeah, but here
Yes, ma'am.
IoT is connected to each other and it will show the our mobile phones also. Okay, that means it is any wireless communication. It will show the our mobile phones. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that is the data processing. What is data processing, ma'am? Okay, I will show this.
Sorting out accurate data, which is
Okay, see ma here. Let us see the picture and say ma. What is data processing?
ಇದು ಅಮ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
Ma, just imagine this data is the sensor. Okay, that is the input. Okay, processing is the, just imagine this is the Arduino. Okay, output is the any motor or any output. Okay, here we are using the we are using Arduino with Wi-Fi. It will store and it will give the message to our mobiles. That is the storage. That is the data processing. That is it is indicating the for example, I will give the one example, that is the smart home. Okay, that smart home we are we are using our mobile phones. We have to operate on and off condition. Yeah, may I audible, ma?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are operating using mobile phones. In that,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
will store the some it will store the we are on condition, light is on condition, it is off condition. It will store the using our mobile phones. Okay, that is the data processing. Okay, ma, you got it, my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
sensors. Okay, these all are the sensors we are using to connect the inputs. Like it is giving the input and it is transmitting the signal to these controllers. That is nothing but Arduinos and other devices, and it is operated with the basis of sensors. Okay, you got it, my point, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sensor
ma'am.
is a devices that collects the live data, ma. Okay, that physical data or live data to the surrounding environments. Okay, that means live data means we are using ultrasonic sensor. When physical object will come, it is automatically give the information to the controller. Yeah, you got it, ma, my
Yes.
point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
the basic ultrasonic sensor projects, ma. I will say the one example. This ultrasonic sensor, it will detect the physical objects. Okay, it will give the information, that means alert message using the buzzer. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
but
Yes, ma'am.
one metro train is there, ma. One metro train is there. Metro driver is first cab is there, first floor is there, but they don't know who will every time, like night time, no watchman, no security is there. In that time, someone will come to front of the metro station. In that time, this IoT will give the information via mobile phones. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
you got
Yes,
it, my
ma'am.
point, no?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
every
Yes,
time,
ma'am.
like your home, your grandpa is there in dangerous place, is there in the dangerous place every time, so many members is not available in your homes. In that time, ultrasonic sensor is detects the object. That means your detects the any objects. In that time, it will gives the information to the, it will give the information to the sensors. It will give the information through our mobile phones. In that time, we will call our grandpa and we will give the information to our grandpa. Please go to avoid of that place. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is the example of IoT. Okay. This is the cloud connectivity. Okay. It is collected the data and it sends the cloud. What is cloud means? I will say, Ma, I think you don't know about the cloud. Do you know, Ma, anything about the cloud?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Internet.
Yeah, it is the internet connectivity, but cloud is the best example, I will say. You know Alexa, Ma?
Yes, ma'am.
You know Google
Yes,
Nest?
ma'am.
You know Google Nest?
Ma'am.
This Alexa and Google Nest can collect the data and gives to the information to our mobiles. Okay, that means I will show the one video after completion of this session. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
In the, we will give
Yes,
the
ma'am.
information, then it will automatically gives the information to our like ESP32 and Arduino. It will give the information to the directly to the controllers. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
That means communication in between the Wi-Fi. Already I told you Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and WAN. WAN is nothing but wide area network. Okay, ma. This is the mediums.
Ma'am, it means it helps in storing and analyzing
Yeah.
this data to provide the maximum benefit for the uh, Internet of Things infrastructure.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Exactly. It is correct. Okay. I already told you what is data processing.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Next one is why Internet of Things is so important. Tell me, ma, why Internet of Things is so important?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, because cost savings for business
Okay. Next.
Ma'am.
and that are embedded with the sensors and
Yeah.
helps in word processing.
What? Again, tell me my last one. I didn't get.
That are embedded with the sensors helps in software processes and
Okay.
it helps to connecting and exchanging the data with any other devices and systems over the internet
Yeah, ma.
and it helps to students to ensure the resource they need to succeed it and they can reduce waste by eliminating or need for a unnecessary duplication of the materials
Okay. Yes, ma. Exactly.
and
IoT can be also helpful for disabled people and old people, ma'am, because they don't have the ability to do the things. That's why they can control it even while sitting.
Yeah, ma.
and ma'am
Next.
IoT is really essential and important for our everyday life means it helps in smart home apps that control lighting, home heating or cooling anything and
Yeah.
that it also works like a smart appliances also. For what we need
Yeah.
in our daily life, it will help for us in that thing only.
Okay. Next, the best. I will conclude only one line, ma. It enables access the information from anywhere in the world. Okay. It will accessible to operate anywhere we are not in this Bangalore. I'm in AP. In that time also, I will operate my home. Okay. That is the best example of this IoT. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. You got it, my
Yes,
point.
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
It access the information from anywhere, anytime, any device. Okay, ma?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I
Okay, ma'am.
think this class is very bore.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Tell me, ma'am. No problem.
No,
Tell
ma'am.
me.
No,
Because
ma'am.
this is the theory, and I thought it is very like. Okay, listen, ma'am. And
Excuse me,
also,
ma'am.
just think, just you think just 2000 to 2023. Okay, just think. Okay, 2023. You are not in 1990s. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because this IoT is like ChatGPT. This IoT will takes major role now. Okay, that's why I'm taking this class.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
first we have only network. Host is nothing but PCs. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
in previous like 1990s or 1950s, we are using only network using PCs connectivity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
In the time
Okay.
we didn't have any Chrome, any Opera in any browser. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, this network is given to the Ethernet cables. I think you know Ethernet cables. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After that, we came to internet. Through webcam, like a browser. One PC to another PCs. After that, we have mobile phones through web browser to PCs. Oh, that means mobile to internet. We came mobile to internet after that. Okay, in that time only calling, and also we having the only 2G SIMs. Okay. After that, mobile people species, we having the after the smartphones. Okay, mobile is nothing but in the time smartphones, and also these PCs, that laptops also we having. Okay. Now all the things are the internet of things. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
In ATM also we
Yes,
having
ma'am.
the chip. You know that one. We having the chip. We have to draw automatically anytime, anywhere. Yeah.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is the one of the internet of thing, and also smartphones, and also in cars also Wi-Fi facilities, phone facilities, all facilities is there in cars also.
Yes,
Tesla.
ma'am.
And refrigerator, anytime it will show the temperature.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Home automation.
Yes, ma'am.
Just say me this picture and conclude it, ma. Only one person, anyone can say.
Mm. Ma'am, it means IoT is really need for our nowadays life. It enables the development and a deployment of the smart devices to solve a real challenges and issues.
Okay. Boys, anyone?
And it's such a one of the part of our life.
Yeah, ma. Exactly. Anyone?
IoT can make our lives more comfortable and give easy access to all the materials like the
Cooperate.
devices in our home.
Yeah, ma.
Ma'am, one more.
Works became
IoT
easy.
to
Works became
access the
easier, man.
information anywhere to anywhere.
Please say once again, ma. I didn't understand.
IoT enables us to access the information from anywhere to anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere and any device. Okay, next.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, shall
IoT has reduced the human's intervention in a
Yeah.
small task, and it has taken over small tasks so that man can focus on other tasks.
Oh, yeah, ma. It is good. Say once again, ma. Say
Ma'am,
please.
IoT has reduced the intervention of human in smaller tasks, and it has taken over small tasks so that man can be focused on major tasks.
Major task. Yes, is exactly, ma. It is reduce the human work. Is it correct or not?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you understand this topic, ma.
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
understood.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Say this image. What is this?
Um,
I
ecosystem.
IoT
Ecosystem. IoT ecosystem only. Say just what is this? You know smartwatch, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are using
Yes,
to
ma'am.
connect Bluetooth via smartphone to smartwatch. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are
Yes,
typing
ma'am.
the message and we are calling the message through smartwatch only. And also we are wearing the smartwatch also. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. I will already I said one example. Please say another example using this image. I will say the using intermediate communication through the smart variable. That is nothing but smartwatch to the user and also intermediate communication through the smart mobile phone. I will already told to you one example. Please say another example using this concept.
GPS.
GPS. Why we are using GPS, ma? Just tell me.
To 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 go one place to another place. It is a route map.
Yeah.
Electric.
Okay, what is the
And
need of
thermostats
the
with
GPS, ma?
Ma'am, GPS gives the exact location of where we are, our current location.
Through our mobile phones. Say like that, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. GPS is completed and also smartwatch also completed.
Ma'am, should we give
Smartphone.
examples or a detailed explanation about IoT ecosystem, na ma'am?
I will ask one example, ma'am. Just IoT ecosystem
some
is nothing.
thermostats.
Please 1 minute, ma'am.
CCTV through Wi-Fi.
Please 1 minute. Here we having the intermediate communication and processing device is nothing but routers, switches, and Wi-Fi connectivity. And also we are using some sensors. Sensor is nothing but we are using some any temperature sensors. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And also here we variable is nothing but smartwatch. Okay, we are connected with the smart user to smartwatch and this intermediate communication in between the smartwatch to mobile phone. That is the one example to communicate to via Bluetooth. Yeah, to through smartphone to smartwatch. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here
Okay.
refrigerator is there, any fridge is there. Fridge is automatically gives the information how much temperature is there in the fridge. Yeah.
No.
And also home is
Yes,
there.
ma'am.
Here home is there. Here home is there. It is used to on the lights, off the light using our mobile phones. That is the example of the smart home.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And also here cold water, cold tea, and hot coffee is there here. How much temperature we want, we have to keep, then it will automatically generate that much of heat. Okay, that is the
Yes.
one example. Okay, here also GPS GSM using cars is there where we are, and also what is the location when accidents will occur, it has automatically called to the 108, like that we are using the GSM module. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
got it,
ma'am.
my point, no?
Yes.
Okay. Here
Yes,
we are working on this smart home example. It will stored in the cloud. That is nothing but it is stored is the visualization presentation. That means here LEDs, 4 LEDs are there and 2 fans are there. It will visualize 4 fans are there. It will 4 fans we having what will on, what will off. It will show the visualization presentation in our mobiles. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma, you got it my point.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That is the real-time processing. It will show the lively. It will on. It will be on. It will show this visualization part. This cloud is nothing but it will be operated by using this cloud only. That means already I told you in Arduino we are using any Wi-Fi portal. It will on condition. It will on condition using this cloud only. Okay, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Just say ma one example.
Weather
Ma'am,
forecast.
can you repeat again from the cloud?
Cloud. Okay, ma. Cloud is nothing but I will say one example, ma. The best example is cloud is the Alexa. I told you Alexa and Google Nest can collect the data and gives the information to trying to on the fan using your mobile's phone. That will be on condition. This project is already I told you smart home. Yeah. When
Yes, ma'am.
when we turn on the fan, it will use the Google. Yeah. Google
Yes,
or
ma'am.
Alexa using our mobile
Yes, ma'am.
phones. That will store, that will use this cloud computing only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it, my point. But when we turn, oh, sorry, when we turn on the fan, we are using this cloud only. The cloud is nothing but I already told you Google. Example, Alexa, Google. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Just to
ma'am.
tell you the example.
Ma'am, can air fryer be a example, ma'am? Because in that we can set the temperature, like what we want, and even we can preheat it.
It will be automatically off when certain temperature will coming. Okay. That is the example.
Ma'am, can be a microwave.
Microwave.
Yes, ma'am.
Same brief introduction of that microwave. Ma. Microwave
Ma'am,
means
we could check that the degree Celsius in that
yeah, that is correct, ma'am. And next,
Is it connected manufacturing equipment is the example for IoT?
what ma? Say me again, please.
Ma'am, connected manufacturing equipment is the example for the Internet of the Things?
Connecting
Can
which
be.
manufacturing device? The, like
I said, ma'am, I
mm,
said connected manufacturing equipment. Is it?
mm.
It's the example for Internet of Things. I said that type.
Manufacturing components means we having the so many components. What is that component? You say here we having the so many phones and also so many components. We are connected to each other via through the internet only. Okay, that will give the information through the cloud or any website or any HTTP commands. It will give the information. Yeah, but which device you are give to the IoT? Just tell me. Here we having the IoT, you were saying manufacturing devices means here smartphones are there, tabs are there, and also here we have the laptops are there. Which components you used? We are using that devices only, but which device used?
Ma'am, any specific means laptop
Specific names. Tell me what is that name? You were saying that any
machine,
manufacturing device.
machines, any kind of
Yeah.
machine, human operators creating assemblies
Okay.
like that
Yeah.
type.
Okay. Okay. It's correct.
Yes, ma'am, I got your point, ma'am.
Okay. Next, anyone?
Ma'am, is VR headsets is example of IoT, ma'am?
Headsets. Bluetooth.
Headsets, ma'am. VR headsets.
Normal headset or Bluetooth you are saying, ma?
Or headsets, ma'am.
Normal earphones or Bluetooth?
Ma'am,
Normal,
he
ma'am.
means virtual reality headsets, ma'am.
What? Ma, you are using normal headphones means through wires. Okay, it is we are giving through our mobile to wires. It is the normal headphones. Via Bluetooth means it will coming under the IoT only. Using Bluetooth connection to our mobile phones. This is the example of IoT. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Tell me, ma.
ma'am, that connected manufacturing equipment is there, no, ma'am.
Connected
It's not.
manufacturing.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell
Connected
me.
manufacturing equipment. It's not a specific manufactured product, ma'am. It's actually uh, it's cloud computing, ma'am. It's based on different kinds of business modules. It's mainly on IoT, artificial intelligence.
That is the we are using business strategies, ma.
Yes, ma'am. It's type of
Yeah, you are
communications where
saying you
different.
are saying that artificial intelligence like that you are saying, yeah.
No, ma'am. There are different kinds of business inputs which are stored in a cloud. Then they
Cloud,
are
yeah.
then it's used for communicating with various kinds of devices, ma'am.
Yeah, without any normal physical device, we are using this cloud computing. Yeah, you are saying like that only.
Yes, ma'am.
That is of the one of the part we are using IoT system. We are without any physical device, already manufacturing device. We are using this cloud computing. We have to connect to each other and it will operate. Yeah, we are using actually is business. Yeah, it is correct,
Yes,
ma.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is the example, ma. Okay,
Okay.
I got it, ma. Now, okay, thank you. I will take next class. This is the we having the RFID sensor, smart tech and nanotech. Okay. Do you
Yes,
know
ma'am.
what is RFID?
Don't know, ma'am.
What is sensor? Already
No,
you
ma'am.
know, I think.
Sir, ma'am, I have seen it, ma'am, but I don't know its definition.
RFID. Okay. It is a tracking device that is nothing but radio frequency identification. Okay, here is there. Must see once and tell me what is RFID. What is RFID, ma? Your definition also is there. Just to say what is RFID.
RFID is the sensor which sensors the cards and
Oh,
tags, IDs.
yeah.
Ma'am, RFID tracks something and gives its real-time address.
Okay.
RFID. Sir, you're asking about RFID's full form or exact meaning of
RFID. RFID, I already told you, radio frequency identification. Okay.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is, I am saying, what is the definition of RFID? Why we are using RFID? Same.
It means it a wireless system comprised of any two compounds means.
Yeah.
And mainly we used it for to passively identify a tagged objects and radio
Yeah.
waves.
Yeah, it is exactly wireless system compressed
Uh,
two components, that is the tags and radars. Okay, it will we will tag that we having the one chip that is best example is I am saying this is the ATM. Okay, the
uh,
ATM is one of the tagma. In that, in ATM is the card is there. In that we having the small golden color chip is there, that is the NFC, near field communication chip. Okay, that chip is when we put that in like in ATM, it will automatically enter the numbers. It will give the money to our ATMs. Yeah,
yes, ma'am.
that is it will having the tags and it will having the radars. It will we will tag that one. It will automatically store the information and will give the information. That means the best example is the RFID door lock system. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You know that one we having that two tags. In the tag we have to give the information. It will when we are inside when we are going to home, it will IR sensors. IR sensor, like whenever will where who are come, it will automatically open the door and close the door. But it is RFID, who having the chips, like who having that cards, that person only enter the home. Okay, that is the
It means it
tell me, ma.
no, ma'am. It means detect somebody's like that type I am saying.
Yeah, only who having that cards, that person only to go homes, it is using the bank sectors also. Okay, bank lockers, who having that cards, that person only go to open that bank locker. Okay, it is one of the security purpose we using this RFID. Okay, ma.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is also
Like
I
keypads, ma'am.
what, ma?
It allows
Keypad.
to
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
keypads.
yeah. Keypads. Like this RFID and also keypad. Also, we are using this IoT. Okay, that is the like module keypad module. This is the one RFID chip. Okay. After that, sensors. I think you know the sensors. This smart tech means we are using the like nanotechnology, that is nothing but smart devices. Okay, you know smart devices is nothing but you are using your mobile phones or tabs. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this one is the embedded intelligence, that is nothing but nanotech. Ability to connect two devices like with Wi-Fi or any things like a hotspot we are using. We are like we having the two devices, that is nothing but Arduino and also Wi-Fi controller. We are using to connect Wi-Fi through the Arduino using the jumper wires. Yeah. But here nanotech is nothing
Yes.
but we are used to connect without any wireless connection. But it will operate through the Wi-Fi. Okay, that is nothing but nanotech. Interact with ability to connect smaller things. Okay, ma, you got it my point.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is the applications of IoT? Pictures are also there here. Just say me what is the application of IoT? Just see ma what is the application of IoT? Okay, I will see here ma. This is the applications of IoT, home consumers and also transport mobility, health body, and also building infrastructures and also cities and industries. Okay. Here we are, you know, the traffic but do you know this one? Anyone? What is this one, ma? We having the sensors, yeah, that is the GPS.
Ma'am, it helps in tracking of domestic animals.
Next.
No more idea about that, ma'am. That
Okay.
cow have that sensor like helmet.
Helmet not, that is the antenna.
I think it detects something. It helps to detect
It's the
helps
location
to
of
Maybe
it.
it helps
detect
to like
obstacles.
maybe it
Means
helps to detect the
that
location of the cow if it has been
Yeah.
lost.
Last, yeah, that is exactly correct, ma. We are using the antenna, giving the information to the GPS. Like sometimes we having the like we not having the any signals in that location. It is roaming in that agricultures. That is nothing but
ma'am, how much for it works, ma'am?
fields.
How much for
what
distance will works the
it
sensors?
will. Here antenna is there, that means it will work anytime. Okay, not distance it is because the antenna we having the anywhere communication between the GPS to antenna. Okay, we are using without antenna, it will give the some information it will give the certain centimeters like Wi-Fi we are going to here to there 1 centimeters 2 centimeters we are giving Wi-Fi to this GPS. But here we are using antenna, means it will give the location to the anytime or anywhere to our devices. Okay. That
Yes,
means,
ma'am.
you know, antenna, that
Okay,
means
ma'am.
satellite, it is giving the like a signal to anywhere or any device. Yeah, that means it will giving the anytime location GPS to antenna. Okay. That's why
Yes, ma'am.
we are given antenna here. Okay. Without
Yes.
antenna means it will give the
Yes, ma'am.
information to certain distance only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These IoT applications in scenario in shopping malls, like shoppings. You know ma this one at least. My USA, it will automatically without any like any persons will not there. We will go and we will purchase like any scenario shoppings in applications, market goods in introduce themselves. Here we having the like any we want anything in shopping, we have to take and we have to scan that one. It will automatically gives the information how much it like in that thing is there. It will automatically give the card, our card. It will automatically draw the money without any helping of the human. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the best application of the IoT
Okay,
without
ma'am.
any human like a human like uh, any human help. It will automatically takes the all the shoppings. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next
Yes, ma'am.
one is, you know, our mobiles, we having the calories, steps, how many steps are there, hours, and also how much we are walking
Yes, ma'am.
in our day, is having or not, ma?
Yes,
It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
having.
automatically,
Having.
and also
Yes,
how
ma'am.
many
I mean,
photos
my
are
smartwatch also
taken.
having.
Yeah, how many photos are taken in this day, and also how much time you spend the music in this day, and also movies, like games, and also this will store the in our mobiles. That is the one of the example this IoT. Okay.
Ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Even our
Helps to know
screen time,
ourselves.
ma'am.
What
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
it is,
Our
it
screen
is
time.
helps to our like knows ourselves, ma. Okay,
Yes,
do
ma'am.
Okay,
you
ma'am.
know this one, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this one? Please tell me.
Thought control computing.
No,
Here,
ma'am.
one headset is there. What is that headset?
Thought control computing.
Here, one headset is there. What is that headset?
Mind wave.
Maybe
Mind
it is
wave.
used to monitor our mind.
Yeah, exactly.
Brain controller
Brain controller.
or a direct communication pathway.
This is the electroncephalography, ma. That is the EEG headset. Okay. It is used to measure the electrical activity in the brain using small metal disc. That means electrodes. Okay. And also it will be having the this one brain cells communicated via electrical impulses. You know, your electrical impulses will communicate with our brain, are
Yes, ma'am.
active all the time. With even during the sleep also it will monitor our brain. Okay.
Neurons.
Neurons, yeah, exactly. It will
Yes,
give the
ma'am.
information. It will give the information like waveforms. Okay. In
Electrical
the
impulse.
waveforms. You know, like you are went any
Nervous
hospital, it will
system.
show the some waveforms to like a heartbeat. Yeah. It will show the heartbeat when putting the like any device. It will showing the CROs, that is the cathode raw oscillator. It will show the display of the waveform like a heartbeat, how much is there, like that. Brain also it will show the some such information, how much like metal discs are there, like a brain, what is the functionality of the brain. It will show the exactly. Okay. This is also one of the IoT device.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma. Yeah,
it
ma.
shows any side effects for our brain.
Yeah, any side effects it will show exactly.
Ma'am, what type?
What type means, ma'am, our brain dead peoples are there, and also some white blood cells are not white blood cells. Exactly means brainstorming, ma'am.
Brainstorming.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
brainstorming.
Yes, ma'am.
That will it will conclude it will show any problem in our brain. It will show the exact some mental disabled people is there. It will show the what is the condition of that person.
Mm.
Like that, it will showing the information to our doctors. This is the EEG headset. Okay,
It
that
means
means
it.
it will show the mind waves of our mind. Okay, that means mind means brain, mind waves our brain.
It means it
Okay.
involves the spontaneous contributions of
Yeah,
ideas.
yeah, ideas, and also it will give the sometimes this one. Some people will say the lies in like I don't
Lie detector.
lie detector. Lie detector also, it will give the information, correct information to our doctors also.
PID.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the advantages of IoT, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Washing machines and lighting controller, alarm controller, and temperature controller. Okay,
Ma'am,
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me, ma'am.
ma'am, is there any disadvantages with it, ma'am?
Disadvantages. Okay, disadvantages means it will sometimes if a network is trouble, it will not operate, ma. It is the disadvantage. Like
Ma'am,
Wi-Fi control. Tell me, ma.
it could lazy the people, right, ma'am?
Yeah,
Mm.
and also it is useful to work on major works we will work, and also small works it will do like IoT. It will do small works means it will operate the washing machines to cloth the cloths to help our women's, like that it will do. Okay, that is the one of the best advantages now. And
Yes,
also
ma'am.
it will some peoples will using this one, some peoples will lazy peoples also there. That is
Mm.
also one advantage.
Disadvantage, ma'am.
Disadvantage, sorry, disadvantage. Okay, I will show the one video, ma.
PID, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
You are audible, ma.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not audible.
Video is not audible to you.
The
No,
video
ma'am.
we
Video.
can't. We can't hear, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Ma, wait, ma, 1 minute, ma.
What, Yogesh?
I think now you audible, ma. See, I will ask the questions. Are you audible, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alexa, turn on light. Alexa, turn off light. Hey Google, turn on light. Hey Google, turn off light. Alexa, close curtain. Hey Google, open curtain. Alexa, change lamp color to blue. Hey Google, set lamp to yellow.
I think you got it, ma'am. What is IoT?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I will ask one question. We are using two devices. What is two devices?
Alexa
Please.
and
Alexa and
Alexa and Google Nest.
sensors.
Alexa and Google Map. Alexa and Google Map.
Only Alexa and Google Map. Again,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
and also we are
Ma'am,
using smart.
Alexa, Google Nest, and there's another device which controls the curtains and lights.
That is smart switch.
Smart switch.
Smart switch also is there. Yeah. Is it correct or not, ma? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It's
ma'am. It's correct.
Yes, ma'am.
And also
Yes,
via
ma'am.
smartphone, they are operating fan, light on fan and light off bulb also, and also it is operating the brightness of the bulb also.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you. I will end up the session because the time is 15 minutes over. 15 minutes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Yeah, bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, students, the session has been completed. We'll see again tomorrow. Bye, bye all. Everyone can exit now.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So before leaving,
Thank
if
you,
you had
sir.
any doubts, let me know, please.
Sir, agriculture field is also one of the example for IoT, no, sir.
Yes, Ms. Sinchana, can you repeat the question?
Sir, agricultural field, it is the one of the application of IoT.
Latest agriculture fields are the an example of an IoT.
Yes.
So as you can see, some of the motors are automatic switch on and off. Whenever the power comes, automatically a motor will get on by itself without a human interference.
Yes, sir.
So those things comes under the IoT, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma. Srinidhi, any queries, ma? Any doubts?
Yes, so, can we use IoT in travel and transport by any chance?
Yes, exactly. We can use it. Let me give you an example. GPS, vehicle tracking GPS system. Okay. So where it uses an internet along with the GSM and also the GPS. So, and we'll be using a microcontroller which can controls the and which can detect the signals of the GPS and it sends the notification to the mobile user through the cloud. Did you got, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So
Any
what
other
is
doubts?
so what
What
is mean
is
by
what is meant by
lean UX, and what is the difference between design thinking and lean UX?
lean UX?
Yes, sir.
Can you spell the word?
Linux, ma, that one, Linux.
LANUX.
LINAUX.
LEANUX. Lean UX.
There's a new word for me also. I also don't know. I'll check it and I'll say. But I hope it is a Linux or Linux. Linux means it is a language. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where did you got this name? Linux, LEANUX.
Yes, sir. Sir, it
Means
got from dictionary. Dictionary, I got it. In the
okay.
dictionary, they wrote its meaning like a design thinking of the one of the kind of process which can be used in a several processes. They wrote like that
Okay.
types.
Okay, fine. So I don't know about this
Sir,
word Linux, but the design thinking process is a systematic process which many of the software companies are adopting it to the development and growth. As I have said in the first session that how design thinking process and what are the steps that are involved in the design thinking process like empathy, those things, isn't it?
Yes, sir. A deep thing.
So all these things comes under the design thinking process. So as to solve the real world problems, we use this process now to be in simple.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is
Sir,
it
1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
And also it is used in theoretical ideas, ma. Theoretical ideas and also theoretical design. And also it is mainly based on the customer outcomes. Like some will ask some designs. In that
Yes.
time, they will approach only theoretical ideas and theoretical design and iterative learning. In that time, overall uses in the customer outcomes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir,
Sir, is it
design
possible?
thinking is similar.
I didn't get you. I didn't get the point. Ma, who is that? Ma, can you repeat the question? Yes, Ma Srinidhi.
So design thinking and AI project cycle are quite similar, sir, because in AI project cycle there are five steps, sir. Problem
Okay.
scoping, data acquisition, data exploration, data
Yes.
modeling, and evaluation, sir.
Yes, exactly.
Like what is the difference between the two, sir? Because it is almost the same, sir.
So design thinking process is not only similar to IoT, it is similar to Arduino, it is similar to Raspberry Pi, it is similar to all other things. Design thinking process is nothing but a iterative learning where the human can solve their problem by thinking differently and out of the box thinking. And also this
Okay,
design
sir.
thinking process
So
is applied in all the categories from a small scale industry to the a billion crore companies. as even the Tesla also using the same process. And even Microsoft
Yes,
also is
sir.
using the same process. So the process is same, but the names might change. So the same in IoT also they're using this design thinking process, as they will mention the different names. That's it. To be very
Okay, sir.
simple, in an example, uh, so recently, some of the farmers felt that the bullock cart, everyone knows bullock cart, no?
Yes, we know that.
The oxes
Yes, sir.
felt very difficulty to track the bullock carts. Okay, without knowing anything, without knowing the design thinking process also, they innovated a bullock cart which has a third wheel in front of it, which could balance and which could carry the whole weight, which reduces the effect of the bullocks and also which increases the speed of the cart.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you know that one?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I
Let me
get.
show you a picture of it.
Yes, sir.
See, this is the one. Wait, I'll zoom it. This is the one. Three-wheel bullock cart. Actually, the bullock cart will not have this third wheel. Okay. In that cases, the whole
Yes,
weight
sir.
will be carried by the bullocks and only the bullocks. But in this case, the weight of the bullocks is reduced. At the same time, it can increase the speed, and also it will be self-adjustable. So based on the height, you can keep on adjusting this wheel. Without having any design thinking process also, they did it. But this also can be related to the design thinking process. Yes, first one is the empathy. What the farmers felt, the empathy on the oxes. Second one, they defined. So they just realized the exact point, exact problem where it is being located. It has been located on the necks of the oxes. So where does they carry the weight? They carry on the necks itself. The third one is ideation. Just they ideated. So how to balance this by supporting the wheel. Prototype implemented. Now all the farmers have been doing the same thing for the bullock cart.
Yes, sir.
You got?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We.
sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. I got it.
And also the same thing in software companies also following, but the words will be different. The concept is the same. That's why we have been implementing this design thinking process for all the students. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubts, ma? Let me
Got
know,
it, sir.
please.
I wanna like to give one example, sir. Can you
Yes, ma'am.
clarify that one? Sir,
Yes.
one village. In that village, there is a problem of water and current supply.
Okay.
So can we use a design thinking process on it?
Yes, you can.
And sir, and also there is a problem of mosquitoes. Is
Yes,
it
you can.
possible?
You can. So you can use design thinking process in anything, as it is not any kind of a restriction for it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Ma, do you have any doubt in IoT?
No more doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am, does facial recognition count in IoT, ma'am?
Yeah, ma, but also it is used in Arduinos also without any Internet of Thing. We are using face recognizer system in mobile phones, and also we are using like bank lockers or any security system. We are using face recognition. It is it is giving the information to our bank managers. That is the example to IoT. But here we are using our mobile phones. It is just recognizing the face. That is we are using we are designing the IoT place. It is used in IoT, and also it is used in normal also. We are using facial recognition. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
IoT provides two opportunities for new revenue streams, is it, na, ma'am?
What, ma? New revenue systems.
Streams.
Streams. New revenue systems are.
No, ma'am. IoT is helps to provide the opportunity for a new revenue streams. Is it right now, ma'am?
Yeah, ma.
Yes, ma'am. No more doubts, ma'am.
Create new products and services like that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can IoT be used in humanoid robots, ma'am?
Didn't understand. Must say again, please.
Ma'am, can IoT be used in humanoid robots, ma'am?
Yeah, ma. It will give the information via internet only. Okay. Like scientist will microchip. You saw any robo movie?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
In that
Yes,
microchip
ma'am.
is there. In that gives the information through our mobiles. It will give the information. Robot will walk like that. It will give the information through our mobile phones. It is connected means it will give the we will connect the cloud. It will give our mobile phones or any tablets. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I think you know the Chandrayana 3.
Yes, ma'am. We know that.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think Chandrayana 3 give the information via
Controller called what is it? Rovers.
robots. It give the information our scientist how.
It collects some information by the help of microchips, which are connected to that rover, ma'am.
Yeah, using the satellites. Okay. Like how much temperature it is having in our moon, like it is giving via satellites. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, ma?
No, ma'am.
No doubts, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Any other doubts,
Ma'am.
ma? Please tell me.
Last question, ma'am. Ma'am, can IoT be used in education field, ma'am?
Yeah, electronic protection papers, like examination papers will stolen somebody, like that will.
Ma'am?
Quizzo app, ma?
Quizzo. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when we give the topic, any topic name like IoT, it will give automatically questions and answers also. Okay. And also this one also electronic protection, like we will using RFID and also we using facial recognition, who are entering the like examination cell, who are coming out the examination cell, like that it will give you the information, our principles like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
No more doubts, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma. Any more?
No more doubts, ma'am.
Okay, ma.
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Amma, tell me, ma.
Shall we listen, ma'am?
Tell me, ma. Any doubt?
No, ma'am. I think Dinesh will add something.
Dinesh?
Dinesh will add
Amma,
something.
Dinesh, tell me, ma, please. What is your doubt? Please say.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma. See you in next class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I will wind up the class, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Thank you, ma'am.